Hey, and we are back. So, gagawa muna tayo ng Sims para merong titira sa bahay na gagawin ko. Right now, I'm focusing on renovating an existing house already. So, hindi ako magkakaroon ng very extravagant renovation. I'll keep the structure, maybe some changes in the windows, pero definitely I'll make it minimal yung renovation. So gumawa ako ng tao para in the next episodes I can also show you kung paano ko bubuhayin ang Sims na to. Isa siyang estudyante kaya ganun po yung suot niya. So right now I'm already adding more lights kasi sobrang dilim sa bahay na to. And lights makes the house a lot better. The ambience will be different pag maganda ang lighting. So as you can see, I'm just creating this accent wall. Hindi ko na pinalitan yung wall ng bahay. At hindi ko rin ganong ginalaw tong mga windows. So I'm adding and nagtatanggal ako ng furniture. You can see I'm yung gagalaw balik ko kasi na-realize ko nag-i-snap pala siya sa grid. So kailangan gumamit pa ako ng cheats para hindi siya mag-snap sa grid. Kasi ganun ang function ni The Sims. No, laging ganun. Kaya kailangan mag-cheat ka pa para lang hindi mapunta sa gitna or sa gilid yung item. So do you like the accent wall that I made? I know it's pretty boring yung gray and blue na wall, but that's why I added this very colorful furnitures. But I know it seems busy and there are things going around, but alam mo, yun kasi lagi kong naisip if I want it to look like a real house, then I should definitely add more clutter. Pero definitely you can still see that there is a design still. I'm trying to make it look like she's a student, but definitely someone who is well off kasi afford niya yung apartment na ganito kalaki. And I'm just adding some girly stuff, and you can see also sa ginagawa ko that she's also very creative person. Hindi siya yung boring, because look at the furnitures I chose. It's bright, it's colorful, very different siya sa personal choices ko. I mean, pag ako nagkaroon kasi ng sariling bahay, I want it either earth toned or pastel or mga boring na color, gray and white and black. Yung mga I'm very minimalist kasi, so I'm sort of stretching my creativity here and mixing with colors. Ayan tinatanggal ko sa dito sa cabinet kasi if it's in the cabinet maglalak siya dun sa grid. Kaya pinupull out ko muna yung cabinet. And so wala kasi talaga may isip kung ano ilalagay ko dyan. So I kind of decided, sige, ito na lang ang tawag dyan, fireplace. So maglalagay na lang ako ng upuan dito sa gilid para pag may gustong tumambay malapit sa fireplace when it's winter, di ba? May upuan tayo. Sana lang hindi siya masunog, which is hindi naman siguro. Ayan, binigay ko lang si Yoda. Now we're going to design this kitchen, and you can see iniba ko yung tiles, diba? Kasi it's very ugly. And I still consider that minimal renovation kasi at least I did not touch the wall, and really the older tile was too ugly. I can't keep it, And then I changed the counter to the same color above kasi sobrang old style na rin nung color and style nung counter niya kanina. I chose this ref, which I think right now habang nakikita ko, I think it was a bad choice. I should have gotten for the more minimalist and just normal na ref, which is like the white or the silver refs. Okay, as you can see, I'm adding more clutter. Tulad nga ng sinabi ko, dun ko na-feel or na-justify that this looks like a house that someone lives in. You know, yung hindi lang yung mga mukhang naka-display. So, I want it to look like someone lives there. Ito yung space na to dito sa kainan. Nahirapan ako kasi the placing of the windows are very odd. So yan, diba? Nandito yung mga hanging designs ko sa kanan. Kasi ang odd talaga ng dalawang bintana sa kaliwa. You see, there's this space on the right that I feel like I should add something para, alam mo yun, hindi magmukhang boring. Pero, I can't seem to find any design to put there. Actually, may na-design ako. Pero, naputol kasi yung yung pag-video ko, tapos nakalimutan ko i-video. So, etong na-video ko sa taas na. See, I was doing another cheat kasi this is the second day that I'm working on this house. Ayan. I'm trying to make the house look clean. Ayan, pinalitan ko yung tiles and kinip ko yung wall paint. And then, I chose a cleaner looking appliances. And, ayun yung counter. It's more white, pale, and ayun yung kahoy, mga pale brown. No. I really love how it looks, pero I don't like designing the walls. Ayan. Ang hirap din pala ng ganito, no? When you don't want to make so much changes, and then you have to kind of work around what's existing. Obviously, I changed the salamin, and you know what I realized is I love how it looks like. The sun is shining inside, and alam mo yun, nung tingnan ko, sabi ko, wala, ang sarap pag gumising ka ng umaga, tapos ayun, sumisikat yung araw sa loob ng bahay mo, tapos nakikita mo yung labas ng maayos. Gusto ko yung ganong feeling. So, here, I put a chair para pwedeng tambayan. And then, I put a piano para, wala. Para lang si Sims meron siyang musical hobby. And also, it's a good spot to play a piano. You get inspired because of things you see outside, diba? Now, we are in the room and I'm trying to put another accent wall. But later, I decided I don't like the wall. It's very sad. So, I'll change it to white later pagpatapos na, no? So, I'm just putting up some clutters again. I'll be putting some table here for her study. Obviously, I haven't decided yet kasi I'm still playing around it. But yeah, this part on the right side, I'll keep that as a study table, study area, and then on the left side dun ko lalagay mga dresser. You see here, there's no consistent design, but obviously this right bedside right ano ba tawag dyan, dresser is kapartner nung nasa baba, which doesn't really mean anything, and I'm just really putting some stuff here. I don't know, it's not a design that I want to put clutter inside the house. It's just that I want it to feel like home, but at the same time I'm making it better from the old look. No, ang hirap rin kasi maging consistent with design when I have very limited option. No? So I can't really, even if I want to create a boho house, Scandinavian house, very limited din nakikita kong custom content online. So, I'm trying to make the most out of what I have and play around with it. And right now, you can see me editing the exterior of the house. I'm adding this side anong tawag dyan? Side floor. Kasi, I don't wanna add this roofing sa gilid din ng bahay. Kasi lahat ng tawag dito ng windows meron ganun, which is what it needs. It needs some cover sa taas. So, kaya ginawa ko yung gilid na Kasi I added roof para hindi nasisilip ng mga kapitbahay diretso yung mga bintana. So, there has to be a roof to cover what's inside. Then, I made the roof better. Well, for me, it's better. And then, I did some lights para sa gabi. It looks better. You'll see. O, diba? Tada! And then, just a bit later, there you go. We are having the last tour. Sorry, medyo mabilis. Yan. This is what the house looks like. What the upstairs looks like. And what the bathroom looks like. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching.